So, you've got your website looking how you want it, and now it's time to get it online for the world to see. How do you do that? This is probably the most asked question on my videos on how to code a website, link to which can be found in the description below. So today I'm going to be going over one easy and free way to do this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and navigate to freenom.com. I'll leave all the links you need in the description of this video. Also, it's worth pointing out I have no affiliation with any of the websites used in this video, except for obviously the one that I made at the end. Once here, you need to pick out your domain, type it in the box, and click the big check availability box. A quick thing about domain names. The domain extension, which is the .com or .net part of a web address, usually costs money to register. However, there are a few that are free, such as .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq, and of course .tk, which is what I'm going to be using for this demonstration. If you want an extension like .com, you'll need to pay money, and the price varies from website to website, so you'll need to do some shopping around to find the best price for the length of time that you want to lease it for. So I've added my .tk domain to my cart, and now I'm going to hit checkout, which will bring me to a page with some more information on it. Under where it says use your new domain, there are two options, but we don't need either as we'll set all that up later, so ignore them for now, and just worry about selecting the period you want it for. The maximum for free is 12 months, so I'll pick that. After 12 months, all you need to do is re-register the domain, and it's free, so it's not a problem. After that, we'll hit continue, and then it will ask us to log in. You can either use an email address to create an account, or a social media account to log in, so I'm going to use my Google account to log in. Now, it will ask for some details which you don't really need to fill out, so just tick the box saying that you've ignored the terms and conditions and press complete order. It will give you an order confirmation, and that's it, you own your new domain name. Hit the button to go to your client area, and under domains, click My Domains, see a list of your registered domains. Hit Manage Domain next to your new domain name, and we'll come back to this later. Now that's only half of what you need to do to get your website online. Now you have a domain name, now you need to set up a web server to host your website. The best free hosting solution I found was 000webhost.com, as it's ad-free and they have a lot of handy features and boast 99% uptime, which is pretty good for a free host. So we'll get over there and hit sign up. Here we need to enter a name, email and password, then we need to hit own domain and enter our domain here. Then complete the captcha and hit the get free hosting button. This will bring us to a members area with a list of our accounts. As you can see, it's awaiting email confirmation, so you need to open your emails and click the link that it sends you to confirm your account. Then the status will change to building. This takes a minute, so we'll give it some time and then we'll come back to it later and hit refresh status. Now it says it's active and gives us the option to go to the control panel, so we'll do that. And here we need to click the account details. This will bring up a page with our name servers on, so we need to enter it into where we got the domain so that the domain name points to our web server. So we'll go back to Freenom and under management tools hit name servers. We'll use custom name servers, so check that option and enter the two name servers that it gave us in the top two boxes and delete the rest. Then hit change name servers. At this point our website is almost live. It usually takes a little while for the name servers to change and update, so it won't work straight away, but it's usually pretty quick. Now we need some way to upload our code to the web server. This is done using an FTP client. Our host recommends two options here. I prefer FileZilla as it's free and easy to use, so we'll go over to there and download the latest version for our machine. Hit skip to avoid the bloatware and install the FileZilla client. When that's done, we can open FileZilla. The FTP information we need is on the account details page, so you need to enter your host, which is your domain name usually. However, if your name servers still haven't updated, you can use the website IP address the page gives you just to quicken things up. Then we'll enter our FTP username and the password we used for our account, leave the port empty and then click connect. It should connect fairly easily without an issue, providing that it's allowed through your firewall. If it doesn't, try running the network configuration wizard found in the edit menu at the top. This will give you a better idea of what's going wrong and hopefully help you fix it. When it connects, you'll see the root of your web server. It's important you don't upload the website here as it won't work. You need to upload it into the public_HTML folder, so hit the plus next to the folder with the slash and double click the public_HTML folder to access it. By default there is a .htaccess file and a default.php file in here. Mine's missing as I was playing about with it before making this video. Now we can upload our website here simply by dragging and dropping the files into it. I'm going to grab the project files from episode 3 of the coding series and throw them in there to demonstrate. So I'll highlight the index.html and the styles.css files and drag them over, and you'll see at the bottom the queued files, the failed and the successful transfers. This is done now, and I left it long enough for my name servers to change, so if I go to MadDirtMonkey.tk in my browser, the website is now live. So now if I grab something a little bit more complicated like my actual website and delete these two files, I can drag all of this into my public_HTML folder and upload them. It's important to remember that all of the scripts and images that your website needs to work must be uploaded to the web server just as if it was in a folder on your computer. Once that's done, I can refresh the page and you'll see the website's changed. So that's all there is to it. There are much more professional hosting solutions that cost money, but they all follow roughly the same principles, so it should be pretty easy if down the line you want to upgrade. I I hope this video helps a lot of you out, and if it did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up or even subscribe, and I want you all to post your websites that you got online using my video in the comment section below so I can check them out. Thanks all for watching, and I will catch you next time.